Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the multiplication or the product of 18 upon 19 and 2 upon 14 upon 12. So 214 upon 12. So before we proceed, what we have to do is we have to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So 214 upon 12 can be written as 2 multiplied by 12 plus 14 upon 12. So 2 multiplied by 12 is 24 and 24 plus 14 will be equals 38, and in denominator we are going to have 12. So this will become 18 upon 19 multiplied by 38 upon 12. Now 19 will cancel out 38 and will produce 2. 2 will cancel out 12 and will produce 6, and 6 will cancel out 18 and will produce 3. So 3 will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.